Okay. Okay. Sudah. Aspetta.
Hope you enjoy.
Okay. Oh, mi prende il fiato. Finiamo. Yeah. Ok, repeat, rewind.
Uno.
Mi vedi? Tutta così.
Vai.
Okay. Hello everyone. For those who don't know, my name is Julia Yangchen and welcome back to my channel. I usually post Tibetan dancing videos with me, my mom, also sometimes I post it with my friends, but I received many requests about Tibetan dances tutorial. In few months, 3, 4, there is going to be a Tibetan New Year, which is called Losar, and usually in Tibetan New Year, one of the most fun things to do is actually dancing with your friends, with your family. So I decided to post from now on a lot of Tibetan dancing tutorial, so you can learn and you can have fun by learning how to dance Tibetan dances and also to dance with your friends, family, also in the Tibetan New Year day, if you would like, of course. So the song that I choose, the dance actually that I choose, is a Tibetan Gorshay, which is like a Tibetan circle dance. So it's usually a dance that you dance in circle. I did this dance with my mom some time ago. Here is a little piece. End of the little piece. So I chose this song because in the title there is a really nice Tibetan word which is Tashi, and in Tibetan this word means good fortune or auspiciousness. So I hope that with this dance could bring you a lot of good fortune and auspiciousness in your journey to learn Tibetan dance. So it's like a good sign, a good wish. Okay, let's start. So all these movements are for both male and female. Maybe male are, they jump more, and when they are doing the lateral step, they usually bring their foot more up, like they are jumping a little bit more than the female. Just a little fun fact. So here, as you can see, I have a few ribbons in my right arm, so maybe it might be easier for you to see which is my right and which is my left. I will also edit some clips where you can see my back, so maybe it's easier for you to copy, and also my feet. First thing, this dance start right away. We start with our feet, and we will start with our right foot that goes above our left. So it goes right, and then left, and then heel and step. And then we do the same thing, but on the other side. Left, right, heel, step. Right, left, heel, step. Left, right, heel, step. So this is the main step that we will have, and we will call it lateral step because you are moving on the sides, right or left. This is the circle, and the camera actually is the center of the circle, okay? So this is going to be the circle. This step, you can find it a lot in Tibetan dances, and it comes with a lot of variation. Here, I will teach you how I do this dance. So basically, we're going to first, when we're crossing, we're going to open without both of our arms, like this. Open, and then we're going step, with our right foot. So we're going to bring up our right arm. So we're open and right, bring it up, step. And then same thing to the other side. Like this. Just open and bring it up, step. Open and bring it up, step. Open and up. See, before opening, I kind of cross with both of my arm, you know, like this. So we're going to do this step twice when the song starts. After this, we're going to do 1 and up. This is first time. Second time, we're not continuing with this step, but we're going to face no more inside the circle towards the center of the circle, but towards the side. So if we have a person here, we're going to face towards that direction, and we're going to move our feet just tapping with the heel. So we're going to start with the right, left, and right. So it's going to be heel, tap, heel, tap, heel, tap. Like this, heel, tap, starting with the right. When we are doing like this, our left arm is never going down, just stays up, and the right one is closing in and going out, like writing, drawing a circle with your hands. So you're going in and out, in and out. Let's combine this together. So it's going to be with the right first, heel, tap, out, tap, heel, tap, out, tap. But this towards this direction. So towards the right side. So we're going heel, tap, out, tap, heel, tap, out, tap, heel, tap, out, tap. Like this. So let's try this piece with music. 1, 2, now towards the side. 2, 3, again. 1, 2, third. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this was the first piece of the dance. Now the singer kind of changed the melody, so we're going to change our movement. So when we are doing this 4th time, we are going again to face towards the center of the circle, and we're going to move our hand. The feet are always the same, so as we were doing before, we were doing right, tap, right, tap, left, turn, right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap. So the feet doesn't change. So from here, we turn towards the center, and with our hands, we're going first with the right. 1, behind, 2, behind, 3, behind, 4, behind. So it's like you are swinging backward like this. But of course, there are many variations. Some prefer to do a little bit softer, and you know, the movement is a bit small, like smaller, movement smaller, or like to the side, towards the side, big towards the side, or just back. In this, I like to do a little bit back. I don't know why. So like this. So from here, 1, out, 2, out, 1, left, right, left. So after 4th time, we are going to turn towards the left. So the feet doesn't change again. We're just going to heel, tap, heel, tap, heel, tap. While we are turning, our hands are a little bit, you know, tricky, let's say, but not that much. It's like a wheel following, or like an airplane. So we're going to bring, like we have the left one up, we're going to bring it down, and as we're bringing it as we're bringing this down, the right automatically goes up, you know, up, and then turning, kind of, you know, reach the middle, and then we will find ourselves with the right one up. Okay, so in this sense, it's a little bit tricky, but not that much. Okay, it requires a bit of training. Down and up. We're turning with our right, like pointing our right heel, tapping our right heel, and bringing down our left arm. So we're going down, tap, down, tap, down, tap, and now we're like this, like in this position, and we're going to go towards the center of the circle by closing our arms and bring them up. The feet just go walking or like a soft run towards the center of the circle. So we are like this and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you want, if you wish, you can move your hips, right? 1, left, 2, 3, now turn to count, 1 and 2, center, 1, 2, 3, 4, until the end. So let's try this with music. Okay, we are faced towards the side of the circle. Let's go. Go. 1, 2, 3, turn left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. If you want, if you like, when you turn, you kind of bend all your body towards like down and then go up again. Okay, so now there is the last part because we're going to learn this and then the whole song repeat again. So we're going to learn this last part and then congratulations, you've learned a whole new Tibetan corridor dance. Yes. So this last part is the rap part. Let's call it like this. So here is really, really easy. We are actually going to move towards sides, along the sides, I don't know. So we're going to start with our right and we're going to move towards the right. So circle here. So right, right, left, right, up, left, right, left, up, right, left, right, up, left, right, left, up. So after this, while we're doing like this, we are just shaking, waving our hands as we are like saying bye, goodbye, or like hi, actually, as we are greeting someone, you know? So we're going to start first towards the right. So we're going right, left, right, up, left, right, left, up, right, left, right, up, left, right, left, up. As you can see, the last one is slower than the other two. So you have the time. It's like you're not doing like this. You're just doing 1, 2, you wait, and you go down. 1, 2, you wait, and you go down. This movement, it repeats several times until he finished the chorus, the rap part, and then he is going to say it again. But once we're like he's saying it again, we're changing our movement. So let's just try this movement, and then we're going to learn the last one. So we're like finished by going inside the circle, and then we're like with both of our arms up. Towards the right. One. Okay, so as you can see, he finished like the first part of the rap. Now there's the second one. But okay, so from here we're just going to bring again back our heel tap little game, you know, with the feet. So we are now faced towards the center of the circle. We're going to face the out of the circle. First, our right towards the outside of the circle, like this. 1, and now we're going to lift our left. 2, and 1, and 2. Now we're again with the right up, and we're going again, bring it down, like this. Go 1, and 2, change, 1, and 2, change, 1, and 2, change, until you finish the whole rep. So basically we're doing this movement like this, but towards the side, not towards the center of the circle. So we're doing this movement while we are going in and going out. This is the whole movement that we are going to do. So let's try it. So as you saw, we finished the whole rep by adding a few movements, which is like bringing, okay, you can choose either bringing both towards the left, like up, or bring them up like this. But when you finish, you just bring it to the right. So if you choose to do like this, right, like diagonal movement. If you choose to do like this, up, down, and the feet just doesn't change, they go like this. Our arm, like kind of towards the left side, up, and then bring them towards the right, up, towards the right, like this, and tap. So I suggest to try the whole rep part, and then we're going to try the whole dance. Towards the right. To do the whole dance. First, I'm going to be facing the back, so you can see my back, and maybe it's easier for you to copy. And then I will do it again by facing towards the center of the circle, so towards the camera. So it's your chance to practice, and so let's try. arrived till here, really congratulations, you succeeded in learning a Tibetan new dance. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video was helpful so you could learn a new Tibetan dance. So if you have any other requests on any other dance that I did with my mom, with my friend, and you would like to learn, please comment down below and I will do it in the next week, so next Wednesday. Thank you again for watching and see you next Wednesday. Bye bye, ciao. Okay, cut.